Hey y'all, Angie here from Happy Girl Paper Crafting, and it is quite a little windy day out here in Missouri. I'm on my last day of my spring break for my job. Yes, I work at a college, so I get spring break. Woo! But the project I'm going to work on today for you all is from last year on spring break. Me and a couple of my friends went out to Vegas. It was my first trip ever to Vegas, and I loved the hotel we stayed in. So that's the project I'm working on today. We stayed at the Flamingo Hotel, and of course, lots of pink, lots of flamingos, and just a kind of a beautiful tropical feel to it. And of course, that whole Vegas thing going on. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm using some of the new papers, which I'll tell you more about in the video as I show them to you. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, thumbs up would be great, and also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'd love for you to be watching all my videos. All right, hey, here we go. Let's take a little trip to Vegas. All right, I've been dying to scrapbook these photos from the Flamingo Casino and Hotel in Vegas when we went out there last spring break. And check out the splash of color paper pack here. Look at the pink. That's it. I knew that was it. This pink and silver was perfect for this casino and this Vegas trip because you got to have the flash and the pretty pink. And look at the backside. I can't wait to use that. It's so gorgeous. And look at these stripes on this paper. The blue and the green. And look at the pink and the silver and the purple. Oh my gosh. Put everything I love together and that's it. Now this one, this lighter pink could go with my silver and pink paper, but for these layouts, but I don't know. And the back I love. But it looks like something you would make with ink blending. And see them together. It looks pretty neat together if I wanted to go monochromatic, but I'm not real sure that's the route I'm going to take here because I have some brighter pinks I may use. Look at this blue and pink and silver together with the white. Ah, so pretty. Okay, this orange. I don't know how I'm going to use this orange and pink and gold paper, but I'm going to find a way because it's so beautiful. And look at all these colors. I'm probably going to use squares on those colors back there. And look at the orange with this stripe paper. It's perfect. So is that lighter pink I was just showing you. This kind of ink blended looking pattern. And looky here. These would make really neat cards, and also I'm sure I can find a way to use it on a scrapbook. Look at these two here. These are my favorite. The stripes with the gold, and then also the dots with all the different color fades. Oh my gosh. I love a rainbow of color, and throw in some gold or silver with it, and I am in love. All right, so I dug out from my stash this Die Cuts with a View cardstock stack of glitter paper, and look at this hot pink glitter paper. It's going to be perfect with my photos. I have so much of this dark hot pink in my photos, so check it out. Lost a little video of me introducing you to my photos, so I'll start now. These are my friends Cindy and Diane, and we went to Vegas last spring break just on a whim. It was hilarious. We threw it together real quick, and we stayed at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. And look at all these pinks and beautiful. I just love the whole theme of it all the pink and all of the tropical flamingo things happening here. And look at the actual flamingos behind us in some of these photos because they had this beautiful tropical area outside that was so neat with all the real life flamingos and wildlife out there. It was gorgeous and tropical, absolutely beautiful. All right, so I'm going to start with the white base, and I very rarely do that, but I definitely need to do that with this because of my bright colors and sparkle that I'm adding to this. It really tones it down and just makes it prettier. So I cut my little pink silver paper off just to put on the outer corners because I really wanted to showcase it, but I didn't want it to take away from my photos. And then I matted all my photos with the glitter paper, the pink glitter paper there, because I just had so much of that bright pink in the background. And it's Vegas. I've got to have the shiny paper with the pink and then the sparkly paper as well. When else would you use that but for a Vegas layout? And so I did pull out my Spotlight on Nature dies and was making some little circles to use with this because I wanted some backgrounds for letters for the word Flamingo Hotel. And they ended up looking like, when I cut them out, they looked like poker chips. And I was like, how perfect is that to be in Vegas and use poker chips for my backgrounds for my letters? And so that's what you're seeing me do here is I cut those out in my pink sparkle paper, and then in some silver paper that I had, I cut out the word flamingo in hotel, and you'll see me, I didn't do hotel on camera, but you see me kind of placing my letters on this. And this is the smallest of this particular edge type in my Spotlight on Nature dies. And I mean, it couldn't have been more perfect. I ended up cutting several of those smaller circles in silver and also the pink and silver paper, just so that I could have several different colored looking poker chips to use or throughout my page. But I really couldn't believe how well, when I used silver to cut out my letters with the miniature alphabet dies, I couldn't believe how well the size of those fit onto these little pink circles. So it's perfect. And my little poker chips in the background of my letters, and so yeah, it's gonna be great. This is gonna look so cool on my page. So now I was just kind of showing you a few stickers that I had from a flea market. These ones with the suitcases are from a flea market. All right, so here we go. I've got them all glued down because I didn't want you to have to witness that. That is super boring, but it looks really, really cool. And then I went ahead and glued down everything actually for the base page structure here. So it says Flamingo Hotel across the top on my title you just saw me make. And then at the bottom, I used my alphabet a la mode dies to write the word Las Vegas. And then I was sure to leave some blank spaces amongst my areas so that we can decorate. Now, looky here. This says flamingos. We got to calling ourselves the flamingos during our little long weekend stay. And it was so cute. And we bought funny things from the little hotel shops that they had there, and one of them had everything flamingo. There's a photo here that shows it. Everything on there in there is kind of flamingo themed. And then Cindy bought us the t-shirts that said Flock and Fabulous, and we wore those out to our RuPaul show and just kind of around town, and I've been wearing it all the time since I came home. And look at this card I got from that little shop in the hotel with the flamingos on it. It says Las Vegas. So cool. And I just got the coolest things together. And then I decided to make some dies that were with the Spotlight on Nature dies. I went ahead and cut out some bigger circles to use as bases for like my little card and suitcase embellishments that I have here. And I think that they really shine nicely against that pink. And so I'm just kind of laying out a few ideas here because we're down to the embellishing part, obviously. And then I'm using some of my different colored poker chips in the silver and the pink papers to lay out like a little spray of poker chips that like I tossed them down there on the sheet. And I think that is looking pretty cool. So I'm happy with that. We're probably going to use that. Now I'm kind of trying out my suitcases and my different little embellishments here around the page. And I think that these look good here. And so, yeah, there's one. I like this little suitcase. It has so many neat little things in it, and they have some pinks and neutrals so that they go nicely on the page. I mean, it's a hotel page about the hotel, so I think the suitcase theme goes along with that. And so I decided to put that on a background with the pink, and I think it shows up better against that white background because it had kind of a white background against the suitcase. And I think I'm gonna stick a few of these little poker chip cutouts that I made, and I think those look cool there. And then let's see what else I have here. Oh, this was one of my little vouchers that I could cash in, but this one was only for 50 cents because I was basically, if I won money, I just used it and lost it again. And I think it will look nice tucked in back behind, but I had it all glued down, so I'm probably going to just cut it off and make it look like it's tucked in. And then over on this side, I have another little rolling suitcase sticker from the flea markets. And like I said, I just got them from the flea markets around here, and I thought that they worked well on here. And I'm trying it out in a few different places, but I do like it down below by my Las Vegas words. And so, okay, I think I'm liking how this is kind of looking as far as how I've got the embellishments laid out. So, a little fine tuning, little tinkering, maybe a few more poker chips poked in here and there. And then, yeah, I do like that. I kind of like that. When I do glue it down, I may change my mind, but we'll see. So yeah, let's glue it all down. Okay, so here is the final product, and it's pretty much like I was going to put it. I added a few extra poker chips here and there, but I'm just thrilled to death with it. These pictures were so pretty and so fun, and this hotel was just beautiful. I just had to document it on the scrapbook page. Now, all of the products that I used, my designer series papers and alphabet dies, and the Spotlight on Nature dies, all of that information is going to be listed in the description of this video in case you would like to buy it, plus my shopping link will be there for Stampin'Up, of course. And so I hope you enjoyed this layout as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Just loved this trip with my girls, and our friend, our also other friend Wendy and her husband met us out there as well. And we just had the best time, and it's so fun to put this stuff down on scrapbook pages. Look at that, the Flamingos titles. That was just such a fun little name that we came up with while we were out there, and such a great memory. And here are the still shots. If you enjoyed this, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and just check out all my videos. And you need to check out this hotel too if you can ever get out this direction. So thanks for watching and being on my page with me. Have a good day.